Hey guys, it's Asian Airsoft here for the special review on the Wii G39c. As you see behind me, the sticker for the Wii G39c has been changed on the box. The box is still the same except the sticker has now been changed to a red, white, and blue emblem. So, now we move on to the gun. This gun was hand given to me by James himself, the spokesperson for WeTech, because he was at the Evike Superstore and distributing these. He brought 25 of these, and Evike was the first place in the U.S. to actually have these. So, WeTech has actually put their own markings on there, and they're not the standard H&K. So, this gun feels so much like the real thing. I actually gave this to a friend of my dad's who has shot a real G36, and he has told me that if it worked for the trades and the orange tip, he could have probably mistaken this for the real thing. So, we move on to the takedown. There are 3 pins on this gun, right up here, and the trigger. All of these must be removed, and you have an option to put it in the stock. These 4 holes are meant for that, but just for the sake of time, we won't be using that. So, first thing you're going to do is take out the trigger pin, right up there, comes out, and then the magwell pin, and then the handguard pin, which is right down here. Handguard comes off, just like that. Trigger comes out, just slides out like that. And the magwell comes out, slides out just like that. And these are the 3 parts that are going to come out by pin. So, next step is to fold the stock. And what we're going to do here is we're actually going to take out the bolt, the recoil spring, sorry. So, this part is sort of hard, but you're just going to have to push the actual. Do you see that part right there? You just sort of have to push it down and then up to get it released from the space provided. And then the next step would be to take the bolt out, just like that. So you see, if you've seen my SCAR review, you can see how it's sort of similar, except this is, I think, WeTech's first gas blowback rifle that has been introduced out of the box, a open bolt system, which means there's no brass tube on this weapon. Another spec is this mag that does hold 39 BBs instead of the standard 30 round mag. So we'll take a closer look at the mag in a second. Putting this gun back together, you're going to start with the bolt. Fall into place just like that, and then take the recoil spring area, install it so it matches into the hole of the bolt system area, install that, fold the spring up, and then you're going to start with the trigger now, and put the trigger back into the space, just like that. And then you're going to take the pin and put it into the top space for the trigger pin, just like that. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take the magwell and you're going to put it in from the bottom up, so you're not disturbing any part of the trigger housing. I'm going to take another pin, just stick it in there. Oops, wrong side. I'm just going to stick it. You can put it on both sides. I just want to put it so they all face one side, so they're easier to take out the next time, if I ever need to field strip this. Next step we're going to do is we're going to take the handguard and just slide it on top. Just this plastic part is kind of getting irritated. just like that. So the problem I had there is this part right here is slightly wider than the space given on the actual handguard. So if you see, it's somewhat hard to match up. Of course, the plastic could be extended, but then it might cause damage in the future. So, takes some getting used to. This gun's like fresh out of the box, so it's probably a little bit stiff. Once I break this gun down, I will be answering questions about it, and once I get on the field, I mean, I will answer any questions that you might want to know about how this gun is, acting on the field, any problems you should know about. This gun is at average around the US. I think E-Like was $200, extremely low. I'm pretty sure the lowest price I've seen for a gas build-up rifle by WeTech. So, to conclude, I will show you the magazine, which is a full polymer magazine. It should not leak. WeTech said that this is their most efficient mag that they've made because of the gas system, somewhat new, I'm pretty sure they say. It is a single stack, unlike the other mags that they have, and it holds 39 rounds, supposedly. But I'm not sure if you get the option on this magazine to turn the bolt catch off. So that's that, and I will do a firing test along with a after field review on this gun in the nearby future. So, peace out.